I am Johan Kleijs, marketing coach, and pleased to invite you to my free Fundamentals of Email Marketing courses. The courses cover the basics of starting out as an email marketer. Together we go through simple email sign-ups and progress through the different options available for collecting emails. Making working opt-in forms, landing pages, funnels, and also have a look at automation systems that you can use that talk to your email system. During these courses you will see how things work, combined with training material and review tutorials. With these courses, I want to help businesses to orient and decide on how they can organize their email marketing to communicate their business. Follow me by signing up. I will wait on the inside and make sure that you don't miss out on the elementary steps that help you start off on the right foot with email automation.